So I'm going into Louis. I have a couple of pieces that need to be reglazed, and I'm gonna drop them off and see what they tell me. This piece. And then this just needs to be reglazed.
Okay, what do we want to do?
And then this one, a couple years back, I took it to North Park.
It's back to Wait a second, let me go get ice cube of those. I'll be right back, baby, okay?
So she went to go get some SKUs to see if there's going to be a cost or not. There usually isn't. On the red vernier key clay, I had taken that one to North Park. I don't know if y'all heard me telling her. About 3 years ago, it's a known fact, the glazing was getting sticky and it would actually stain the inside of your bags. But I didn't want to leave it. I was so in love with the piece at the time. But now the glazing is completely gone and I'm scared that it's going to crack. So if y'all know anything about Louis, once the canvas cracks, they will not touch it anymore. So I just brought it in to get it reglazed. And then the little compact wallet, it has like a color like the Victorian wallets. They have that snap button that's either red, blue, yellow. Mine is blue and it's completely gone, so I just want to get that replaced as well. While we wait, let me show you some eye candy. These are on my wish list. I so want to get these. These are so gorgeous. And I know that it's not real jewelry, but I think it's gorgeous. And this is on my wish list. What are y'all's thoughts on these beanies? I feel like sometimes Louis Vuitton takes the ideas of people who they repurpose canvas. Because I've seen these with people who repurpose a canvas. And now Louis Vuitton is doing it as well. Wow, look at these. They're little hearts with the LV in the middle. So she just came back and quoted me $120 for the reglazing. But I told her that it was a known defect that I was quoted on 3 years ago. So she's going to go talk to her manager and see if they're going to honor it or not. And she'll come back and let me know and I'll let y'all know. So this glazing on this one is $120 and I'm going to end up holding on to it because I'm going to leave two and then I think I'll do this one later.